For the second year, the Urban League of Greater Atlanta and Wells Fargo have partnered together to have an Access to Capital event. The event this year was held at the Metro Atlanta Chamber of Commerce in downtown Atlanta, a beautiful facility that provided a great backdrop for this fantastic event. The objective was to have a one-day event for businesses in the growth stage, providing information on building capacity, access to capital, and access to contracts. To get the word out, we collaborated with the Metro Atlanta Chamber of Commerce, local and regional small minority business organizations, including the Atlanta Business League, Georgia Minority Supplier Development Council, and the SBA. Wells Fargo distributed the flyer to WF, BBG, and community bank specialists and advocates. The media strategy consisted of distributing a press release, posting on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and using email blasts using Constant Contact. The workshop agenda started with a kickoff welcome from Daryl Green, Director of Small Business Strategy for Wells Fargo. The conference purpose was from Nancy Flake Johnson, CEO of the Urban League of Greater Atlanta, and the keynote introduction was Pamela Cross, VP Senior, Community Development Officer, Atlanta Market. The keynote speaker was Grace Fricks, President and CEO of Access to Capital for Entrepreneurs. Following the keynote, there were 3 panels with 4 to 5 panelists on each panel. The panels were capacity building, a discussion on building organizational capacity to get larger contracts, access to capital, a discussion on the standard and alternative methods of raising capital. We had a live interactive presentation on Wells Fargo Works by Daryl Green. And then finally, we had an access to contracts panel with a discussion on how to access local, state, federal, and commercial contracts. During lunch, the participants had discussions with the 11 resource partners that were seated at each table. They were able to have candid conversations with each resource partner about how best to position their businesses to get business from the partner. Some of the resource partners included MARTA, Georgia Department of Transportation, the SBA, Home Depot, and Access to Capital for Entrepreneurs. Overall, there were 72 attendees, 15 panelists, and 11 resource partners. The overall impact survey results was that the event was well received and the participants are excited to come back again next year. The solutions generated by Wells Fargo teammates were 18 total appointments scheduled. The participants also let us know that getting funded, marketing, access to capital, and business plans were at the top of their list for their immediate concerns. The social media results, we had 4 email blasts sent out to over 9,000 email addresses with an average open rate of 11.5. Challenges, we had over 130 registered, 89 waitlisted, and 72 attended. That was a 55% attendance rate. The Atlanta Chamber was a great partner in event space. However, the lack of on-site parking was an issue. Location accessibility was a challenge. Our takeaways, we're going to start accepting registrations over capacity. We're going to engage more diverse media marketing, more aggressive Twitter, Facebook, and blog activity. We're going to consider a different venue, focus on the top 3 needs, and we're going to shorten the event to half a day. Moving forward, the Atlanta Urban League Entrepreneurship Center is scheduling workshops for the topics participants identified most as areas of interest. We have also implemented a focused communication strategy based on the survey results. We are also going to promote and utilize the Wells Fargo platform through the TEC and the business plan course. We will continue to forge and develop an ongoing relationship with the Wells Fargo Director of Small Business Strategy, the Wells Fargo Business Banking Specialist, and the business community to provide the resources needed to help businesses grow and prosper today and into the future. Thank you.